Howdy folks, Tex Grebner here with Tex Grebner Outdoors, and I got the little 22 out again. Standard sights, standard trigger, and taped down on that barrel down there I've got a 12 bull air rifle target. I kinda got nostalgic for those, and so today I'm just going to be working on my marksmanship and videotaping it, and I'm going to try and put 10 22 bullets into 10 bullseyes down there. I'm not going to be shooting at the middle ones because those are the sighters. This is probably going to be a boring video because I'm going to take my time and make every shot count. So I'm just going to zoom it up on the target, and I'm going to be shooting unsupported standing at 10 meters from right here. Now you wouldn't think that 10 meters is all that far, but when you're shooting at a target that small, everything becomes magnified. Bad round. Okay guys, so I didn't hit every single one, but like I said, trigger pull and breathing and sight picture becomes incredibly important when you're shooting at a target this small, even at 10 meters. Okay guys, so here's the target. There's the first shot. There you can tell where I jerked the trigger. There's the third shot. Down here on the fourth shot, I jerked the trigger again. Fifth shot, same story. Sixth shot wasn't my best, but I'm still breaking the black. Target number 7, I did okay. I'd like it to be closer to the center. Target number 8, I'm in the black. Target number 9 is still a scoring shot, but not in the black. And target number 10 is still a scoring shot, but not in the black. So guys, here's the spot I shot from. I got the camera zoomed all the way out. And when you're back at 10 meters and you're shooting at targets that small, 10 meters looks a heck of a lot longer. So, as always, God bless all my Ted and Agent blood brothers. Join the NRA to protect our rights. Thank you very much to those of you involved in law enforcement and those of you serving in the military. Thank you to all my subscribers for all of your support. I ask that you continue to support me in the future. And you know, even though I like my black guns, I'm still just an old-fashioned cowboy. So, I'll see you later, Space Cowboys. Thanks for watching Tex Grebner Outdoors.